Good day and welcome to Kambakwe News. The famous Zimbabwean prophet Eugene Magore has been shown in a vision that Emmerson Mnangagwa will be removed from power by Chiwenga and Chamisa. He says that there is no way out for Mnangagwa as his time of ruling has come to an end. Let us hear what he has to say.
Ndaona Vice President who's Chiwenga tagara mukombi but vanga vakagara naChamisa vanhu two ava vachibvumirana kuti we want to be the next managers with the next team. Zvazvinoreva ndezvekuti vairi ava vakuzobvumirana kushanda vese kuti vaende kwavarikuda kuenda. Every time I do utter something mostly to do with the nation, I don't miss. Bora dori kutambwa. The managers are the real players. And then the kombi, it's a private meeting, right? Which is between Chamisa and Vice President. Zvavaita ndezvekuti umwe aona kuti right, inini I can invoke power. Umwe akaona kuti inini I've got the popularity. So when power and popularity meets, it becomes a very dangerous team. Henceforth, I am saying to the sitting president, whatever you are going to play cleverly. What if I was to recommend what was needed there? I would have recommended a dialogue, if I want to be honest. I would have recommended a dialogue. Because whoever thinks is clever than the other, that's the end. Kutaura chokwadi, futi dzinorira. Pakatadza kubatwa mushi. Of which let me say, dzicharira. Tikati dzinorira pachiti nyepa, dzicharira. And pakutozorira ipapa, some prominent figures are going to go if you don't handle this properly. Listen to me as a man of God. I'm telling you honestly, before God himself. Parudonwapa.